Recipe number 1 is the Christmas smoothie. Recipe number 2 are the Christmas protein balls. And recipe number 3 is the Christmas salad. So welcome to the Christmas edition of Let's Cook. 3 recipes tonight: breakfast, lunch, and a treat in between. So today's Silvestro for anybody who's new. I lost 80 kilos 18 years ago, and it took me 18 months to lose my weight. So today I'm going to bring to you food that you can eat, that you can enjoy. You don't need to starve yourself. You don't need to go on any silly diets. Diets? What's that? I haven't been on a diet 18 years ago. These are 3 fast Christmas recipes, last minute, that you can do that's going to really make people happy and make you happy as well. So today's recipes is all about making sure that you feel full, the foods are tasty, they're easy to make, you don't need an oven, all we need is a fry pan and a blender. So I'm so excited. 3 recipes tonight, 3 recipes with 1 hit. That's amazing. Our first recipe is our Christmas smoothie. Yes, we are making a smoothie. This smoothie would be fantastic of a morning. So that way you get up, you go for your walk, you come back, and you want to put something inside your stomach so you are full until you come to lunch, because half the time is that when you are hungry, you tend to snack on sugary type food. So we're going to do a smoothie to get the ball rolling. Okay, so our Christmas smoothie, my very own Christmas smoothie. Cherries, because they'll give this smoothie a really nice, creamy, smooth texture. That's the reason behind it. So, I just use some normal frozen berries. Let's put that inside so that I can melt tonight. Here we go. I'll put that there so you can see. Pitted, frozen cherries. Once we've done our cherries, use the Jonah brand, the organic Jonah. Let's put a few little, there we go, 2 tablespoons. You can leave the stalks out. Fresh mint. There's inside. Wow. Look at the colours we have here. It's Christmas. Red, white, and green. White called the Christmas smoothie. Some cinnamon. Another Christmas. So let's put 1 and just another one. So 2 teaspoons, sorry. And followed by ginger. Another Christmas delight. 1 and 2. Flaxseeds has full of fiber, and why not add to them because they're just fine. So let's add 2 teaspoons of protein powder. The protein powder will keep you fuller for longer as well. And this one's a vanilla flavour. So 1 and 2. I need some ice cubes to make it nice and cold. 1, 2, organic almond milk. Once again, full of protein. 1 cup of frozen cherries, pitted. Then we have 2 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of flax seeds, 2 teaspoons of ginger. We have some mint, we have some ice. We've added some almond milk. Stop that, let's give it another shake, because sometimes we'll get some of the powders and stuff that went on the bottom part. And let's give it another. Wow, that is really nice. Taste. Wow! Ho ho ho! That's really nice. Is add some coconut on top. Sprinkle that. Some mint. Wow, that's very pretty. And of course, there's a cherry. You might sink in. There you have it, your Christmas smoothie. It's really nice. Wow. Santa Claus will be happy with that. The second recipe, our very own Christmas protein balls. What we need to do first is we have cashews. 250 grams of raw, unsalted cashews. 250 grams of pitted dates. 1 cup of rolled oats. We have some flax seeds, we have some ginger, we have some cinnamon, we have some desiccated coconut, we have some rice malt syrup, almond milk. Which first is crush and mix the dry first. Food processor. It's in there. 250 grams of raw cashews. 3 teaspoons, generous teaspoons of ginger. 3 generous teaspoons of cinnamon. 1 cup of rolled oats. Let's put it on. Done. 20 seconds and it's done. Next, what we need to add in is our 250 grams of pitted dates, almond milk, about 1 cup. For now, we can always add more later. Add in our mixture. Voila! Mixture's all done. 1/2 cup of protein powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of rice malt. Just a couple. 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of Flaxseeds. Secured, closed. You used to, when our parents used to make cake and they used to do the cream, we used to all fight to lick out cream off the top, but we can't do it with this because we've got really sharp blades, so I don't think that would be a good idea. No. It's good actually. Not too dry, like so, and just grab it like so, right, into your hands and just roll it. That's all you have to do. Into little balls, right, like so. Just roll them into some coconut. Like so, and let's roll them into some coconut. And then you have your protein balls. How they have come out. So let's put them onto a nice plate, like so. Sprinkle some extra coconut on top. Add some cherries, because it is all about Christmas. add your mint. Recipe number 2 completed. Made our Christmas smoothie, breakfast smoothie. And we made our Christmas protein balls. And mind you, from that batch of mixture, you'll make between 12 to 15 protein balls. Okay? And we made 2 smoothies as well. Our next one is our Christmas salad. Cherry tomatoes, cucumber, rockets, feta cheese, pomegranate, pine nuts, basil, our turkey, which we'll do in the fry pan, dressing, which is oil, garlic, apple cider vinegar, mustard, honey, salt, pepper, plate, mirror, no, it's a plate. It's not a mirror, Sylvester, it's a plate, not a mirror. Okay. So what we need to do is first pour it into your pan. And you know, it's so hard to find fresh turkey today. But no one had fresh turkey, but I found fresh turkey. Welcome to Christmas. And when you slice it, you can cook it in large pieces, but I tend to do it in smaller pieces. There we go. Salt, pepper, and herbs. When it comes to making a nice light sauce, first of all, put half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, and put it inside. Then we need to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, followed by 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Some honey, pepper, and salt, and give it a nice mix. Okay, so we have our dressing done. So now what we need to do is we need to start to get our bowl ready. So let's dress it with rocket. Let's add our turkey. Then we'll add our cucumber. And cut them, however you want to cut them. I normally cut them down the middle. Now we've got some nice Australian feta. So you can see the theme. I've always got white, green, and red to make everything look wonderful. Next is our pomegranate. Sweet is we're going to toast some pine nuts. just a little bit of olive oil. Yes, try to tell that to me. A little bit of olive oil. Pine nuts. 2 handfuls. Put it over the heat. Done. Now, vinaigrette. Some basil. Leaves in, leaves on. Our Christmas turkey salad. Voila! Recipe number 1 is the Christmas smoothie. Recipe number 2 are the Christmas protein balls. And recipe number 3 is the Christmas salad. Turkey, pomegranate, cucumber, rocket, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, pine nuts, basil, and dressed with my nice honey vinaigrette, which has got garlic, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, honey, and I missed it there as well, and Dijon mustard. So there you have it. Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you for watching this action-packed, full-on 3-recipe Christmas special of Let's Cook. Next year it'll be different. I'll be introducing a brand new segment for next year, which is called 5 ingredients, quick, easy and delicious recipes, which can all be cooked under 10 minutes. Remember, eat with no stress, don't go on crazy diets, don't go any fathoms, don't go any fasting. When it comes to losing weight for the very last time, it's all about falling in love with the lifestyle that you have adapted. Don't use the word exercise, use the word activity. Don't use the word diet, use the word lifestyle. And when it comes to your mindset, just remember that wherever your energy goes, that's where you need to go as well. So make sure your environment's all clean and write down your goals, track your progress, fall in love with yourself, and just be relaxed, and everything will happen for you step by step. It takes time. Just celebrate the small wins and provided that you are doing whatever you can do, you write things down, you track it, you will lose weight for the very last and final time. I'm Sylvester Weight Loss King. Thank you for watching another episode of Let's Cook. I'll see you next year with our new segment where it's 5 ingredients of quick, easy, delicious recipes that will take you no longer than 10 minutes or less to prepare. Thank you. Merry Christmas, stay safe, and ciao. Taste. Wow. Wow. Ho, ho, ho. That is really nice.